You know, depend on the choir. I'm have to depend on low key. This man knows his son again, you know? And this man make his son be leader. For the choir, be a choir leader. And his son a leader in gay son. In gay son. But in always talk about himself in a someone else. See in gay son here, and everybody at Philadelphia knows his son a Batman. 100% Batman. This a man that have no feelings for no woman. You find it?
Yeah, Hebrews 3 and 4.
Read it when we say find it.
For every house.
No, we're not talking about that. We're talking about Dream House. Dream House. But go back and play back, put him back. I think I'm not able, but we're going to find him. Play back him. Now, you see people, you want to talk about gay choir and sanctification and sweep out all of them stuff. A certain man to the people and them want to see that in practice the same thing. When you come up with excuse, that is a man who have the character of fraud and forgery.
Amen.
And a scammer. I want if you understand, say, play that video with him, Batman, son.
It's a lesson learned.
This ain't gay son, a teacher man, a counselor man, because this another man give up him body easy. So I might tell the other body man, know this now is a lesson you learn. That you not to give up your body so easy. So this a man is 100% body man, you know.
Yeah.
And when him a make video and don't care about the life that him a live in Ghana Church Sunday.
Yeah.
And if you check out back when we first exposed a lifestyle of his son, he still have his son a lead choir.
Oh yeah.
But when it get more stiff and people now are question and people where support him, you know, and you know, so these people then withdraw and him start to talk against him, he can lose him sponsor. He make his son go up on a loop